Well, hello, my name is Brett Hirsch, and I'm an instructor for overnightaccountant.com, and I would like to introduce you to our course, Realtors and Reducing Taxes, the auto and home office deduction. Now, the National Association of Realtors will tell you that the average realtor drives over 30,000 miles each year. What's that in a tax deduction? That's over $16,000 in potential tax deduction. But more importantly, what is that in tax savings? It's between $6,000 and $7,000 and federal taxes that are saved by properly calculating the mileage deduction, and that does not even include state tax if your state has an income tax. It's by far the largest realtor deduction. It's maximized by the home office deduction. However, it is an area on your tax return where many errors are made by realtors, primarily when they try to do their own tax return, because they either don't know what's deductible or they don't know how to keep proper records to prove their deduction if they are looked at by the IRS, and that is the reason this is an area that is highly scrutinized by the Internal Revenue Service. So what will you learn in this course? Well, with regard to the auto deduction, you're going to learn what miles are deductible and what miles are not deductible. You're going to learn how to track this deduction, how to prove this deduction if you have to, how to maximize this deduction, and how to report this deduction properly on your tax return. What about with the home office? Well, you're going to learn whether or not you have a home office. If you discover you don't have a home office, you're going to learn how to have a home office because we want you to have a home office. You're going to learn how to audit proof that home office, and finally, but most importantly, you're going to learn how to use that home office to maximize your mileage deduction by having that home office. So hey, what's this course worth? Well, remember, every $1,000 deduction on your tax return can potentially save you over $400 in tax savings. So I got a couple questions for you before we close. Do you want to save time? Do you want to avoid problems with the IRS? Do you want more money in your pocket for yourself and your family? Well, if you answer yes, take the course. Take the course, Realtors and Reducing Taxes, the auto and home office deduction. Thanks again. I'm Brett Hirsch. We hope you take the course.